This case study addresses cracking found in the aft wheel well bulkhead side fitting joints at station 1209. The issue was linked to improper shimming during assembly, which led to poor structural fit-up between the side fitting and surrounding structure. Because this area transfers significant landing gear loads into the fuselage, even small gaps or incorrect shim thickness can disturb load distribution. Over time, this uneven load transfer reduced the fatigue capability of the joint and led to cracking. The FAA required inspections and corrective actions to ensure the structural integrity of this critical load path in the wheel well region. Due to improper fit-up, the fatigue strength of the joint was reduced. The AD mandated high-frequency eddy current (HFEC) inspections of the side fitting and failsafe strap to detect cracking. If no cracks were found, repetitive inspections were required to monitor structural condition. If cracking was detected, immediate repair was mandated before further flight. This case study highlights that incorrect shimming directly affects load distribution in structural joints. Assembly deviations may appear small, but they can significantly reduce long-term fatigue life. Structural reliability depends strongly on dimensional control during manufacturing. When assembly variability exists, inspection programs act as a safety net to protect structural integrity.